If the panoramic roof in your Kia Sportage has suddenly stopped working, you push the sunroof control switch on the overhead console and nothing happens. It could be due to a blown fuse. The fuses for the sunroof are located in the passenger compartment fuse box. First things first, let's locate the fuse box. In Sportage, it's conveniently placed on the driver's side, right under the steering wheel. To remove the cover, just grab the handle on the cover and pull it towards you. On the back side of the cover, you can find the diagram for all the fuses. Now here's the important part. There are not one but two fuses responsible for the sunroof. If either of these fuses blows, your sunroof is going to be out of commission. So we need to check both of them. You will need a fuse puller to pull out the fuses. You can find one in the engine compartment fuse box. Or you can just use a pair of needle nose pliers. Just grab this 20 amp fuse for the sunroof and carefully pull it out. Take a good look at the fuse. If you see any signs of damage or if the wire inside is broken, then you have found your culprit. Replace the blown fuse with a new one of the same amperage. You can grab one of the spare fuses from the engine compartment fuse box. It's always a good idea to keep some spare fuses handy for situations like this. Now pull out the other 20 amp fuse for the sunroof and check if the metal strip inside is intact. Once both the fuses are checked and replaced if necessary, close up the fuse box securely. Your panoramic sunroof should spring back to action if the issue was due to a bad fuse. If the sunroof is still not working in your Sportage, then it can be due to a faulty motor, a bad switch, or a wiring issue. You will have to investigate further to diagnose the issue. And there you have it, folks. With a quick check and simple fuse replacement, you can save yourself a trip to the dealership and get your panoramic sunroof working again. Thanks for tuning in and consider subscribing to Wheels Joint for more automotive tips.